In this video, we are going to replace the brake rotors and the pads of my BMW E39 from 1996. The first step, obviously, is to remove your wheel. The lug nuts that BMW uses in their cars is 17 millimeters. So after our wheel is removed, we have access to our brakes. So the next step is to remove the caliper. So in order to remove the caliper, you need to remove the retaining clip and with the help of a 7-inch Allen key, the sliding pins. So when you remove these caps, you have access to the sliding pins. So in this shot, I'm removing the sliding pins. I am using a adjustable wrench to get some leverage. When that's removed, you can slide your caliper out. As you can see, my braking material was almost not existent. The next step is to remove this 6mm Allen bolt that holds the brake rotor in place. As you can see, I'm tapping it with a hammer because this over time gets a little rusty and it can get stuck easily. So that's it. The next step is to remove the caliper bracket because without removing that, we can get our rotor out. You just need a 17mm wrench and that's it. The caliper bracket is out and our rotor is out. These are the old and new brake rotor. As brake rotors wears out, you will get a lip in the edges. With new brake rotors, it's completely flush, as you can see. So our next step is to install our brake rotor and reinstall our 6mm Allen bolt. Then we need to install our caliper bracket. As they say, installation is the reversal of removal. Then you need a way to compress the piston inside of the caliper because you're installing new brake pads, and of course new brake pads are a lot thicker than the old ones, so you need something to compress the piston inside. In my case, I've used a table clamp, and that works for me. So in this shot, I'm installing the brake caliper with the new brake pads. So when you put the caliper in place, you need to reinstall the two sliding pins. Remember, the sliding pin uses a 7-inch Allen key. As I said before, I am using a adjustable wrench as leverage. And the final step is to reinstall the, let's say, the caliper clip. That's super easy, as you can see. This step is not necessary, but I'm cleaning the brake caliper because you don't take your wheel out so often, so why not? Then you will install your wheel and that's it. As you can see, these rotors are vented, so they look, racing. So that's it. That's how you replace / upgrade your brakes on a BMW E39. This applies to almost every car. The difference being the shape or location of the different components, but it's the same principle. So see you in the next video.